Musica, il modo migliore per condividere un'emozione. Buon ascolto con la Don't Stop 80, volume 21, a cura di Reny Jay.
Hard against this mountainside, across the sea into my soul. It reaches into where I cannot hide, setting my feet upon the road. My heart is old, it holds my memories. Body burns a gem like flame, somewhere between the soul and soft machine is where I find myself again. Kyrie eleison, down the road that I must travel. Kyrie eleison, through the darkness of the night. Kyrie eleison, where I'm going, will you follow? Kyrie eleison, on a highway in the light. When I was young, I thought of growing old, of what my life would mean to me. Would I have followed down my chosen road, or only wished what I could be? Kyrie eleison, down the road that I must travel. Kyrie eleison, through the darkness of the night. Kyrie eleison, where I'm going, will you follow? Kyrie eleison, on a highway in the night. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, Kyrie eleison, down the road that I must travel. Kyrie eleison, through the darkness of the night. Kyrie eleison, where I'm going, will you follow? Kyrie eleison, on a highway in the light. Kyrie eleison, down the road that I must travel. Will you follow? Kyrie eleison, through the darkness of the night. Kyrie eleison, where I'm going, will you follow? Kyrie eleison, on a highway in the light. Kyrie eleison, down the road that I must travel. Kyrie eleison, through the darkness of the night. Kyrie eleison, where I'm going, will you follow? Kyrie eleison, on a highway in the light. Kyrie eleison, down the road that I must travel. Will you follow? Kyrie eleison, through the darkness of the
Got a job, that's okay, but they got me working night and day. Punching in, punching out. Is this really what life's all about? Gonna like an Egyptian. The blonde waitresses take their trays, spin around and they cross the floor. They've got the moves. You drop your drink, then they bring you more. All the school kids so sick of books, they like the punk and the metal band. When the buzzer rings, they're walking like an Egyptian. All the kids in the marketplace say, walk like an Egyptian. Slide feet up the street, bend your back, shift your arm, then you pull it back. Legs hard, you know. So strike a pose on a Cadillac. If you wanna find all the cops, they're hanging out in the donut shop. They sing and dance. They spin the club, cruise down the block. All the Japanese with their yen, the party boys call the Kremlin. And the Chinese know. They walk the line like Egyptian. All the cops in the donut shop say, walk like an Egyptian. Walk like an Egyptian.
World lead me to the slaughter. Now don't be afraid, come and join the parade for the ultimate end sacrifice. It's an old-fashioned story of hope and of glory, a ticket for taking a life. I don't wanna be a hero. I don't wanna die for you. I don't wanna be a hero. No, I'll send me out to war in a faraway land I never knew existed. Subject me to the truth, to the horror and pain, until my mind is twisted. And what if I fail? Will you put me in jail for a murder I will not commit? 'Cause you don't understand till there's blood on your hands that it's time to forget and forgive. I don't wanna be a hero. I don't wanna die for you. I don't wanna be a hero. No. And those who return come back only to learn that they're hated by those who they love. 'Cause you're not satisfied to the 1,000 who died, and your anger is paid for in blood. I don't wanna be a hero. I don't wanna die for you. I don't wanna be a hero.
boy, just about the 8th grade. Mama used to say, don't stay out late with the bad boys. Always shoot the pool, Giuseppe going to flunk a school. Boy, it make me sick, all the thing I gotta do. I can't get no kicks, I always got to follow rules. Boy, it make me sick, just to make the lousy bucks. Got to feel like a fool. And the mama used to say all the time, what's the matter you? Hey, gotta no respect. What do you think you do? Why you look so sad? It's not so bad. It's a nicer place. Ah, shut up your face. That's my mom, I can remember. Big accordion solo. Glad that to say. Really nice, really nice. But soon there come a day, gonna be a big star. Then they make a TV shows and the movies. Get myself a new car, but still I be myself. I don't want it to change a thing. Still a dance and a sing. I think about the mama, she used to say, what's the matter you? Hey, God, no respect. What do you think you do? Why you look so sad? It's not so bad. It's a nicer place. Ah, shut up your face. Mama, she said it all of the time. What's the matter you? Hey, God, no respect. What do you think you do? Why you look so sad? It's not so bad. It's a nicer place. Ah, shut up your face. That's my mom. Hello, everybody. That's out there on the radio and the TV land. Did you know I had a big hit the song in Italy with this? Shut up your face. I sing this song, all of my fans applaud, they clap their hands. That's making me feel so good. You ought to learn that this song, it's real simple. See, I sing, what's the matter you? You sing, hey. Then I sing the rest. And then at the end, we can all sing, ah, shut up your face. Okay, let's try it, really. Uno, due, tre, what's the matter you? Hey, God, no respect. Hey, what do you think you do? Hey, why you look so sad? Hey, it's not so bad. It's a nicer place. Ah, shut up your face. That's great. We're gonna do the better this time, I bet. Hey, what's the matter you? Hey, God, no respect. Hey, what do you think you do? Hey, why you look so sad? Hey, it's not so bad. It's a nicer place. Ah, shut up your face. Okay, one time for mama, everybody. What's the matter you? Hey, God, no respect. Hey, what do you think you do? Hey, why you look so sad? It's not so bad. It's a nicer place. Ah, shut up your face.
Take or leave us, only please believe us. We ain't never gonna be respectable. It's our occupation.
took a car about 7 years ago. Now you said that you were so tough. And I loved it, ooh. Love you for putting me down in a totally new way. Down with the bad old sad old days. Get away now. But now, too much pain for too little gain. And I feel like I'm gonna fight back right now. Gonna withdraw my labor of love. Gonna strike for the right to get into your heart. Yeah. Withdraw my labor of love. Gonna strike for the right to get into your cold heart. Ain't gonna work for you no more. Ain't gonna work no more. Ha, easy. I know that you said it never was gonna be easy, but not this hard. You're so cold. The romance goes when the promises break. My mistake was to love you a little too much. I'm gonna withdraw my labor of love. Gonna strike for the right to get into your heart. Withdraw my labor of love. Gonna strike for the right to get into your heart. Baby, now withdraw my labor of love. Gonna strike for the right to get into your heart. Withdraw my labor of love. Gonna strike for the right to get into your cold heart. Ain't gonna work for you no more. Ain't gonna work for you no more. I can't stand it. I said I just don't want it. Never gonna need it. No way, I can't stand it. I said I just don't want it. Never gonna need it. No way, I don't want you. Don't need you. Don't need your tricks and treats. Don't need your administration. Your bad determination. Had enough of you and your super bad crew. I don't need you. I don't need you. Pseudo satisfaction, baby. I can't stand it. I said I just don't want it. Never gonna need it. Anyway, I can't stand it. I don't want it. I don't need your pseudo satisfaction, baby. Withdraw my labor of love. Gonna strike for the right to get into your heart. Withdraw my labor of love. Gonna strike for the right to get into your heart. Withdraw my labor of love. Gonna strike for the right to get into your heart. Withdraw my labor of love. Gonna strike for the right to can't go on. Some like it hot, but you can't tell how hot till you try. Some like it hot, so let's turn up the heat till we fry. The girl is at your side. Are you gonna do it? She wants to be your bride. Are you gonna do it? She wants to multiply. Are you gonna do it? I know you won't be satisfied until you do it. Feel the heat pushing you to decide. Feel the heat burning you up, ready or not. Some like it's hot and some sweat when the heat is on. Some feel the heat and decide that they can't go on. Some like it hot, but you can't tell how hot till you try. Some like it hot, so let's turn up the heat till we fry.
I just had to love.
extravaganda. Oh, sailor.
There
nobody let you in. That's nothing new. I know just what that can mean. Well, the way that they talk, the talk is all over town. And it's no surprise, little girls hurt sometimes. Hey, little girl, where will you hide? Who can you run to now? Hey, little girl, where will you go? Who can you turn to now? When everything goes wrong, sometimes it makes no sense. Hey, little girl, should've known better, known better. Hey, little girl, where will you hide? Who can you run to now? Hey, little girl, where will you hide? Who can you run to now? Hey, little
To lie to one as beautiful as you. Yeah, should've known better. To take a chance on ever losing you. But I thought you'd understand. Can you forgive me? I saw you walking by the other day. I know that you saw me, you turned away, and I was lost. You see, I've never loved no one as much as you. I fooled around, but tell me now just who is hurting you. And I should've known better to lie to one as beautiful as you. Yeah, I should've known better to take a chance on ever losing you. But I thought you'd understand. Can you forgive me? I should've known better. I should've known better. Yeah, I should've known better to take a chance on ever losing you. But I thought you'd understand. Can you forgive me? Ooh, yeah. Should've known better to lie to one as beautiful